Hey, Mr. Kelvin, how are you?
I'm doing great. You are a much salted man, salted for man. Everybody wants to know where Mr. Salas is to come and clear the air. Ewo Nyama ACC. So this afternoon, before we talked about this interview, like I said, for the benefit of our mothers, our aunties, our sisters, our brothers who did not get the opportunity to almost school to say any swaka brofono, to benefit everybody. In fact, feel comfortable if you want to mix it with English. It is also acceptable on this platform. Inti, once again, welcome to Loud Talents TV. And the viewers are all listening. Everybody is glued to their sets. And so, welcome.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kelvin. Yes, true. I'm Salas Yakubu Achilo, not Abubakari. I would like to make that correction. But to say the kind, you know, my person make a speaker. Say the ya obia ye na no money ye numa amount to me and ye I want English as o meti as ye ampa say me na me fa video no
before obe started wasem no for some specific reason no me person me busa two questions after that danka was started asem nankasa o full name here Salas Yakubu Abubakar. The patch of full name Achu. The patch of
Salas Yakubu
Achilo. Wona oye recording no. Wona we recorded sa meeting na yehu nana adodankwa Ekufuado woman no.
Ampa me na me
ye year ben and a month ben. Very important. Me no kunta mi busa we ansani start interview na ngasa.
July 2017.
July 2017. Okay.
Yes.
Meeting no. Again, I'm out to me cotton meeting capacity ben and out the cotton meets oko meeting as dien.
Call meeting no as Elijah Bass Nimia Ebema.
Okay. Thank you very much. Me pacho afedie I'm not going to interrupt you. Nyabotre ne church assembly nyina na Ghana obia ante dia woka.
Midasipi michia utifo ne ahwefo nyina na edawase na assembly nyina ne say Elijah Bass eye djuma wo Urban Road ne djuma na oye no oye fiti time alu mama mo ho be pemne enti Elijah Bass no oye minnu bema oboa me kakra me kra ma contest MPP presidential this parliamentary aspirant eda oyape kusogo enye say me enchanchen waboa me enti edrumra bi ye nana yi be call election obia so say obeboa no na ye nyina ye nam ho no ma ye pemwa kakra edi abre no enti na edumra bi na me kon hu papa no so senko odu so wo mo bia because otaboa me omoa na yentimi nya bibi o se de bi de me ni bi but say wo na me boa dia bi o me nye politics e metimi aboa na pana chewa na oboa pi enti ibe na oboa ye nyina e fa wo honum a e ya me ana ya mediko obi an ka me ho enti nya me chade oboa wiye no na me yadum na nsaye no baaye no after the manyantie say amanfo ekopia ye papa nana president Akufo-Addo echi siyanyi aba free ho na oye NDC na diade papa isu di president asemi so sa say Yakubu me na mo so nti na me koboa na nti echi ka benim say me beboa ama na be say me djuma dia kama mam me nye politics wo na o twimi bemu ana eba ye no de ya me di buwa na de ade no omfanko ana me si me ujimedi enti na ya me be ka bibi kire wa ya wo so hweso na wo boa etu de ka wakoma tu yem ensi enti ya me so bi di kono ya me kwa ya me fa mama buzia eso na ya di ko Enti misa ko bobo mabuzi amane during election time any campaign time na dia de nyina ye papa yi request t-shirts be bring 20 t-shirts na ye na mo t-shirts mo de ya bo o pi enti me be twa no tiawa enti bi kan ya no na mama say obeka tre nana de ekosu die e ba no sa enye yie na efise na esu come do where na I'm quoting her esu come do na so bi ma half cup of water na wonu atminya nkwa unya nkwa ni wi a obi blow full drum of water kra eso ne mfaso enti se papa ne yesa wanya ni yi na msi yo mama de ekoso anu no na me nso no me ni tumi bia enti o se wo kasa tire no na mama si yo onu bedi nkomo e wo hwa na me sa ho alaja sa frame mama Yakubu ukrofo no chichina almost in free office na mi wo ho ye say Godfred Amu ene edi be bo na me I no me yesa
me pacho what phone be a bang wo ho
ena me so utie me
yeah pacho koso
hello
yeah go ahead
ena me say ena me say sa no mo ye dia omo ye free party no na say dey ena mama say oni no be kasa me nya butre musa na Godfred no na one man bi so wo urban rules ho me we fini din kakra onu ba alaji office ho be ka kire ni say ono no ye ni deputy but Godfred amuru de no oni omo honum no sa papa ne ka tara ye say ochina so onye ntiye say ye di na konya no manoa ma o ma ne nya no nwanwa e fi say ni tama so ko alaji di asam we hamia afedie ma ye ha let me see nkrofoi e dey no person mu di ayemi let me say back to mama let me catch mama buzie say asam we mama buzie oda so ho onwi ko ka say mama asam say na me bo amani a wodi di agroi ai mama ya family agro sa o me dia me nyame ne nam o obi be say ogu me dwuma asa ani mu na be gu ase feso ele mama say onu kura ne babi efre se land no sa America o ebe eja ne dwuma be di na na do chi sa e no so mpa dwuma ma no wa dada no sa wa ma ne dwuma sa oba pa we o ma ne dwuma afa di ofre no kura o si wonam ha obeba enti mama timi mama betina ne fie sa ma na bo 9 10 ne ma so le akọ afa de ne ma ya ha alaji su frefre me enam si you enye hwe afa de me jaina me bibo mo points sa enti mi wo ho ena mama frɛ me one day say asam na ekoso no first na ya odi sika ne t-shirts na dia de ebrem ni nyina na at times uni ejebe wa na ekoho enti ma frɛ ejebe wa to on try me de na me yale kakra enti we de ability the time na me ho de me de metimi ananti akọ but this time no one ma ha mentimi enhu no enti ejebe wa odu beko otena na pa enti eya bra enam si yo mamate ade achen ya me makọ mama say eyi ochina enumre mini ejebe wo beko ho akọ hu papa no enti enumre me frɛ ejebe wo na ejebe wo ka tell me say mama frɛ no na wo ka tell me say onu obekọ onu kwa beko akọ hu papa no de be si biara obebo ma amane enam si yo mate enam si akọ fie enti bi wo kwa na alaja bas frɛ me e ka tell me say Yakubu mi wo ho na boy bi frɛ me o say o di Edmond Chi enam si Edmond Chi adai o say kam me pese ye jam wo office ho me pe sika be that is Ghana city 8 billion en famra na o say me ni nsia enam si alaji enya mistake ko sia no because unim di o mo plan because that time no ma setting crofo no mo radio show kasa alaji abas ye NDC ya yin free ho be bia alaji abas ye NDC ya yin free ho alaji abas o da ona president so see me so sa because onye politics afa de me see you ika alaji say menko na nke be ya ka chen fe unu e bi wo ho wo tu kwan enti ube ma unu na hia no enti sa pepepe no yeye na odi mi number Emma Edmonchi. And Edmonchi say or no work Kumasi to on flight Emma no Kumasi Accra. Not a flight man or buy an Anna Edmonchi frame so wa bedu to me siano or easily gone. E or papa be ho. E papa be mo. E mi sorry ye. Ebua mi who call to be honest with you. Ye chance ya bua na de ade nyina na hwe amba metrim se me fa video da. To ma hu se nkonfo we o mo pese mo gumi nimu ase. And I'm saying no. Me nyadi mi force me so me kire me tumi. Enti ni so me bua me ho. And I'm kwase Edmonchi. Chia ye na ye okasa da me se o me bra se o se o me hia o na de ade. And mo hwe video no a mo be hu de Edmonchi kan ye. Mentimi nka no nyina oka nema bebri ekirekire ni chief of staff obona manie na ya mpase contractors di na twasi kama chief of staff and am see osi ube ka kire asanso chief of staff de me matini din say o local support san konfo no na osi o esika na ya twama no nenso ono nso no ye bibi ma no a ono be sesa na adwen na o ye no boss ono ne suma no enti ono ka bibi a obeti enti ansa na onu so be prepare kwan mama me no me mano 5,000 for penyimfuo miensa and na man tini na me fi so me man 5,000 no chiche man penyimfuo miensa na me man 1,000 no fama enkwala be 10 me fi so me man 1,000 no chiche man enkwala 10 enti me ka tell say you Matiase enti obisa say the bay na me de beba enti na me dis video no kan ho na me ka tell say oh ochina no say him fine I'm say and share golden tulip and no share me time no so you want first premier and I'm go organize 6,000 me di share no oje no na ho na me hu say na on ka enye 6,000 no ka ho asa or cut 5,000 times 3 and a 1,000 times 10 and I'm see oh maintain this and also ko nya bibi ka ho anka ye pa and I'm ka tell say oh makobo peyin amanye se na mo hia enti ko kan bi se on fa bi ka ho ni kasa o mi respect so beti enti nya botre na de wo mu bia no ekire ye be hwe ne yaye e mu tie video no a de si wo asama na me kai nyina mu wo be hu enti mi ni wie ye no e na me kobo mama buzi amanye se Dr. Jebe was to organize meeting no amaya ko hu papa no say and obi so frɛ papa no so on first any same ra enti minti ase and mama frɛ Dr. Jebe wo ho na me wo ho and o ka kire mama so onjai na sam say e sad dia yempe 40,000 emra $40,000 for $400,000 or $40,000 emra yeah for $40,000 emra na njai de Edmonchi e kano na e be kwa ko hu papa no and am see you mate enti e chire na ye ne hia ye si yonko hia papa no enti wo ka no nyina no na eye madwi mu na say na sadi we dia no mama ba chiche na ade bebre enti we won videos kra me no e hia o chire me djuma me ya ma
videos of one video of one wine
me na nado e wo mama buzi afie
okay
me na nado e wo mama buzi afie e na eyi Lieutenant Colonel Damwa owo bi
okay
enti na me sa video na me refer wa asam no mu no enti si sa no wie ye no na me say say die papa kai ya butu ye nukra dia na me be tio moka because party no ya bre and I'm say fine then I want leave it to be free because me be money mo bia o but you money ma me I'll pay you back enti na ye prepare ye and I'm so me bo am ho Kelvin enye nipa mako na betimi a prepare no ho so okwakofa president video and I want to ask a question omo no na ho no ma omo say t-shirt dey and omo fabricating mu t-shirt story bi mu di be che mu no na me koche obi ade Kelvin utie ni u koche obi ade na u fa no video ayeden primakumam me be che no t-shirt any sika so on fanye politics on fanye campaign on wili na masa di cameras ahye me hu se me kwa kofa no we adwi ne ntiase mfa enti ye ko ye no eje be wo na tu asam na ma no na obisa e kwan so girl no so say for we say me and I'm in the buy. And I'm just him. It's a no ampa. I was surprised. Tell me, I was not expecting say Obeka bibi. But I'm sana ejebe or the beko. No, catch me say ampa. Papa ne kase na nado kase ne ye. Ene kase contractors na omo boa. Party no money back power no. Omo no mo se omo yi alaja bas ne free ho. Enti omo anya ne sa enye yi.
Twen ho a. Enti Nana Ado be work I said Nana Ado na yire Rebecca catcher and says Anna said
yeah.
You kind of right. Yeah.
Aha. Yeah.
Nana Ado said Rebecca catcher and saying.
Or no a debe one a catcher me. Say the omo cano say ye about me yampa. Na ono kon hu Nana Ado first no catcher and say ne Rebecca eka say. Contractors na omo bua party no. Omo fafa, omo di fa no so. Enti omo no mo se yen ya larger bus enye sa ohonum no omo ntimi nya kwan nye omo djuma otu de meka na se enti se omo kan sa eye nokre na so yen pese mra na enkohu papa no ampa ye koye no e na oje na me se mi do nyame asambo mi mane sie da ohe obi a odidi matem eye bibia no me fa ho be di obi a chi one after the other because mo amo kaka sa asamo na mo nim bra ye no mo nim de e call so Mr. Kevin ye wie bibia no from then no ye wo ho me ye din so bi anim say bibia wo ho ye wo ho na di letter come large Abbas so on free office in a large Abbas, a deal letter and train me. Catch a large Abbas say, na be you did ya. So when you say, Adana mi ko home, and the man I am more mean for video. This time around, man, Jimmy me who me for evidence. And to some be a gra, I will punish them and die. And I'll say, and there are some okay. Miss Row, with the Yakupon power chow. Miss Row, it was hard to we a be mammy problem. A bit. Enti Emma me hunu mobo and I me say but e wo kwa na me hu say adini kikiri sa pese peja and I me say no this thing is getting far and I me say ni almost say now madam bi wo ho no mo di o nam ho no ni national security o pese o mo kumi na ade no kese ye friend Jan kese o wo Kumasi KMA and o ye o mo security coordinator ono na o champion say on bibia me wo o me kumi na ade ono na ba me office na me ka kire de say nkromfo yi ya nyina ye party ma o be de o mo di yami me kam obi ati ase say o mo ye mistake na say o mo yi papa we am fancho mo am kutade sini ono so me bibia ya me di ama no me bibia even Nanado video na me ka mi ti ama buzia fe ni nyina o bi me ma chene car ma chene Ford Explorer da e wono ho still up to now sa kese no enti me born amane no say na me kura na me national security coordinator in Kumasi but one so man fam ma me enti yan guna na papa na ni mo ase na me say o nya butre me train time no this time round o ya attacks na be boss no esun and I'll see you and I'm say enti for video yi nafa kogu external hard drive bi na me toma o no nafa to me ho and I'll see you and I'll page ni na free Accra e ko Kumasi o kesi me odu Kumasi pe and I'll control status say ejabiribo and I'll be hu you know prompting me one would be a candy to status and I'm share I'm not on WhatsApp and I'm going share you know I mean see and or design ja and or church and I make tell me friend and I'm say Ken what are you doing na the way I the amount say this na odi here no say Ken dey or the chin or per se on fam the position no or the call ya no the coach abugina pomuna yeah omo ni say video no wo honye no but ono question ka kire omo say video ni nyina wo no ho ono fi say me di man ni nyina e wo no ho enti bi ni copy bi sa na adwene ye no enti okobo abu manie no after the me ho na abugina po no frɛ me say Yakubu ye be catch o ye be kama wati asese
when a fro
abugina po
ofra phone so
o frɛ me o me phone so catch me say videos na free na de no wanya ntie say me kuta papa no video enti me hwɛ na mama video no ma na nka opese o share me na me so wo be share me wo video ben mo no master I'm not into that. And also, me nyam butre nyina not na de enti se bibia ne ayentena se na enka na me so no. I'm not ready. The only video ni kire no. E de enti no de kire. And the kono ho e. E ho no na ken no frame me ka tell me say, "Oh, ade we de who de nyam butre me."
Me nko kese Ken Ben Fro, Ken be full name.
Jan Kese.
Okay. All right.
Kumasi.
Go ahead.
KMA.
Yeah, what I'm
all right. Yeah.
Okay.
Ono frame no kasa kire me na me ka say, "Look master, yes ane ma no na me miye wo. Enti wo yes a ube say me respect. Me nye journalist a o be kwa ko jisika na ade. Kevin, I am telling you say omo ye de nyina omo nya abutre no omo ntie. Kese ne abugina Paul no. Omo koji $3 million.
Ken Jan Kese and abugina Paul.
Omoji $3 million. Omo di ni business o. Me wo ho no frame say oh asama no omo so me ma me security coordinatorship 1 and 2 say me pa o mayi we police some retired police officer bi na ye no ba Central region regional security coordinator o say ye betimi ayi no na ye di na akọ and I be mano director for confiscated goods in charge of northern sector. And I'm going to say, and I'll say, men so a very position at a tema habo na casting na mention. And I'll mammy a mining site na there. And I'm say, now more say you stop it. I'm say, oh, mommy, mining. We see be mommy even petrol.
Abugina office and all the mount no.
That is it. Only Ken in the discount come on Ken or Kankakasa nema way in actually. And I say, Master, I'm not into that. And see a woman who say, no, say Obudis can be, and that's all. And I mean, who say, pressure me but too much. And I'm no, my 5 year and comfort will do take me off. And see, you are hot. And I can no. And I probably your friend. And I'll say, Master. Oti edieba ena me say adai o say enra anajo abugina po frɛ no ebisa ne say what say yakum nua na ena o say bi nua bai me koswale asam no so nua bai o say nua bi na oni anase adwuma e friend Australia no o dey buti say yakum no ena me so me so me die no am for be friend me na me fa call no a obi frame me grab your frame na me say hello or say alhamdulillah I don't mean to say no the phone to form obi frame me fa me danya me ase and me say what is going on and ti ade ti ya na ken so frame me and me say ade I say me wa hen and me say me fi fi and me say ojidi and me say and then me ba ho me ho no ba oba na otna me porch mo na edi nkomo sa and okoye actually was about area or by area no catch them so only the entire me free na panam se dabi o say abugina pon na free me say ma te say yakumu mi nua na and am see
okay abugina pon free Ken ebusan say onim say ye ku wo na because edin say it not all refer to say
that is it that perfect the me can say me din tra Quran enyame so almost yes I never win na Bible no it will turn against them and he okasa no and on waka them say and masa sika na almost buy no your politicians sika wo and you be sika one year you be ku aka ho because ono okata abu say me daso tin kwam abu si omra be fa na ni mienu enhu say me wo ho
abugina poso o be check say unwi a
on me check is on fa nani mienu enhu se me wo asana mi kan me dunyame me kramoni mi dunyame ado Quran asama na oka treme no o bae me ni tina e kasa ro oka sa be do oka se say na ono kra e wo ho na pastor bi e frɛ no ka chen say ono no ohun say ono na damfo bi nam na damfo no kuta video bi na ebe gu na nan mu ase na me say ken we dey say na sesama na otu video yi me new na ekote na o asam we a okay na o adwen ntimi mfa na wo na obo na mane o do bibia si on ka kire osofo no bibia na me see you mate ntimi wo ho na o ka kire me say na almost o maji $3 million binti omo nyina yi omo de no
omo nyina yi omo de no wambo di bi aka
omo de no
wambo bi adi
debi oso omo nyina yi omo de no de aka 25 billion, that is Ghana cedis. Let me say, and the dollars in it was like $400,000.
Yeah.
And also mediba, mensono medikai I 2 billion afreso. And to 1 year, you know, be a problem. And so you be cool. And to you, dear, politicians are and I'm say fanakotu fee. Na me be ju crowd in the ni be tubula ade a chiche nkrasi for senti omo was asika we na ma for ebre no so Kevin and no crowd send me before more and I'm saying and me catch me come obi ati ase hwe amafo na omo nam na ho omo ye bibi no mo nya bibi endi o mo nya hwendi me ye die hard MPP obi antimi yimi free MPP even dey me ye kosia bia ni ho no betime yimi free MPP you were MPP from 92 ya chimetum several times in Kumasi. They should go to Kumasi, Subi, and they should go to Zongo, Yalwa, and ask of a guy called Salis Yakubu Achelo. Dear Namayama MPP in that particular zone, because CBN the Honoma, every MPP book. I'm saying it today. There's no any dog who can attempt it. The party does not belong to any donkey. Calvin, I'm telling you, sir. Or this kind of buy no me tutu bullet 78 at the acham man for and I mean 2 billion no me so on fa okay them say ya na odi ade no metime ayo cause ya and na wo na mo ho no ma wo hwe me say yo ko na me ka say hwe edu da mo pre musika I'll pick that money and come and give it to you people. I have it. Kevin me yo hia ni obi anim ni ma bre pa ka me yo hia ni metime abo na do amana campaign ono kere di Japan o na mo hono ma oye no ho political coach no officer o wo bibia chi hobia enti ka ma mi fa we wie na mi mra ono Kennedy so
okay
o yes sir you call me to mu say because bibia asam no epia kono me man hwe yi a they can kill me enti me person me buy time and I'm say o Matthias na ko hu osofo na me say osofo na the ben na omudi me concession no beba the ben na ebe tu ye oil no the ben na ebe ko ye mining field no and o see o abu see say ni say bet abu say me ko Israel no so o say o ko Israel no ko bom paye na ma adwin sisa enti ye twati kitima o mo 3 pastors o mo ko Israel o mo ko ye no manti o mo nka me wo hosa na time ni ko na me bom paye say mat me nyankopon ma time na me ya de no amobia betima so no emra ena o mo ko mo Israel e bae Kevin, I will send you some videos obehu osofo no meaning nkasa na ye ka me de me kan nyina obehu me bisa no wo mo say osofo wo si wo yo osofo na so obi betimi afa 24 billion ade ama me say me fa ne video nsie emra amafo pensu anum a mo nya bi num me yesa wo say yakopon o de betami ana
osofo Accra na se Kumasi
o Kumasi Patase
okay
Fantinebra o hono no o say o no nua penyi ani ayi apia menka
okay
your car baby no
all right
enti yes enti me who say nkrofo we man hwe ni here I'll be in trouble. I picked them videos one after the other and the videos was there. Even Kennedy Japan now oye didi o taste asam no o friend me ka tell me say me say your business ana
Kennedy Japan as Central and
Kennedy Japan oh no o free hokon ma ni Jimmy ani ni kosi asam o ti honum ni ye no o say Oscar I'm telling you say Kelvin only capre I will bring his videos.
Okay.
Tell him, oh no, me, our friend me say, me, bien. Hey, Kennedy,
Before I go no. Before I go no. Ona Oboa Kennedy Mamu ye who watches The Watchman on a NAS no meboa.
That is it. That is it.
Kennedy okay.
Oh, only me because only me no sabiti sabi kura yam bisa ne se kosi yantechi asamabae o dotna baby dintro on hu kosi yantechi da oni ni enye dienda ono ti se kabo ne friend se anaso so good president ni mo ase na dia me ya me pesa anaso so anya asa ne se wo akoye wodwuma anya video ma video no nko wie wa ma video na kwasi baby o ma video no wie
yeah
maybe MPP but me I don't give a damn. So person bubu omo MPP no me bubu enti de me ye MPP na me punish MPP party no na me punish you. I'm sending the punishment to those who are there to destroy the party, the image of MPP, and I want to tell everybody.
Okay,
those who understand should understand.
Yeah, can we stick to the Kennedy issue? That is
that is it. Kennedy or Casa, me say, look, Kennedy, I don't need anything, and we don't need to use it. And also, Otin and Kanye or didn't drop say, Nansayana, Yaman Saka video. This foolish man, or video in and I'm saying, Mr. Say, and Nas, I'm no buyer. The entire meaning is CIA. Who or Jawa Numa, they do court. So they find you to pay, and I charge you to pay, and then you can't pay it, and then somebody directed you to me. That I can help you out with an evidence. And who from me say, me a bulsam, oh, look. And I will buy and tonight, who kaya, and I'm fine, we'll do it. And I'm wow. No. I said, as I'm not calling you, Kevin, I'll send you the video. I want everybody to me.
You play the video. You have 2 days, 48 hours to elections.
Don't worry, you will get every video. Tomorrow.
Yeah, we get everything.
Tomorrow you will get it.
Yeah.
And I want everybody to see who Kennedy. The person being who nipa Kennedy. Kennedy, and I want interested in again. Or number one, no, the amount for them. We only remember Edda, Hey. I will send you some video. You see Kennedy and a woman that he slept with them, and then those women are not even up to Tracy Bachi.
Okay.
You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked and surprised. So for me, the empress be kind of say, me a nipa bia, me be kind of cry me so she.
Okay. Salis. So let's go to the substance. I said there are a lot of videos bought from Ochina going before election day. A lot. Now, the bone of contention organization say MPP for the Ghana. We were all okay. Me na me de ase me beto out to say me were grand scandal be a ever out. Me team na very tight. Nobody knows what I do. But I don't know say be a government in a panic here. And I know my junior almost say a video we na me neighbor. Into Ghana na who say government no MPP. Ed video about out to say video winner Kevin Taylor ne omama kan say omode ba out into a man from share na video no and then the original video no ya another video so a pop it up. The reason why and there wa me din kan ebusa say when I recording video no year ben I recording and a month ben and a mouse state because it's very important to us and your system no musisi no nipa oko film yomono Nana Dan Kweku-Addo president on Kasai.
Yeah.
Video meaning the system nim. Now it is and the nyawaha treye.
Yeah.
The video na a year video I will record it na yen touch ya at the end of the day. The woman be what has transpired or what transpired. I was a meeting.
Yeah, maybe video now me record it and video be na ye call ya ball $40,000. Yeah, the bechucha eje alaja Abbas.
It was just say video na NPP de buy no omu yi sa part in film.
Oh, omu yi film o say ma send you video bi omu ka about t-shirts.
Yes, I have that.
So kachiro omu say me di Nyankopon din e pa o ma chow asa pa o ma chow. Omu fa video ni nyina no akola na sesa akomo omu misre omu fa video no mra Now moment in voice I was that video to see say that video move no mo yi ko share we mu ana misre omo ho omo famra video na me di ma say na ado share white fugu no me di yakopon di pa o ma chaw omo senke di no voice na dia di na nyina me omo fi say afei but nyami cha de no e wo ho eti misre omo original video no ho na t-shirts asam ekoso omo famra misre omo na en compare na en hu say conversation na e wo hanom no efrehi eti misre omo man kan no kura hwe awiase wo hoyi yen kan no kura Africa ye be bresa because Ghana no ye pro it is only the two political parties.
All right.
It is CSA, no?
Yeah. Sally, sorry. Question. Asamba could be kaya me per se clarify and say video we yin na ya hwe no. Ebi mu say na Akufo-Addo opposition leader, not on your president. From timelines Saudi Amaya wa hana chere say Akufo-Addo president. Diana ubetumi aka a convince apart from video the chair and say and I say nipa ben di na obetumi abo a chere say omunim say asem we see 2017 sene be ya asem ya de twa ho adanse edi di asem na ho danse enti na mebusa asa question no
the mayor they say video na me di kan Edmond Chemu video no yem bisa Edmond Che say Nanado enye president Alhaji Abbas position ebe hwere no na me ba no ho so on fa me ko Nanado ho no on ko ye dey ade na me ko se fa me ko Jomam ho the first question I don't want to go far and na me ti ho no so am for tie en common year or in phone e kire me Nanado ni asanso omo wo Tokyo e kire me say me hwe they are chilling over there they call him they send him messages. And when they come, he will go and talk to Asansu and then he will see to the issue. You go and see the man. So, she says, you know, Asamba, Obia, Pedi Obeya, Obeka say, Esumesi ya trufo. And she says, you know, me neshika videos no, ewo ho, kasamano ho. To almost say,
Kasa.
Yeah, almost say, Tisano. Almost so they should come out because they are one say Nanado ho. Why are they not speaking? Mekasa. Then I miss a question. If they were Kramumisano, no bomb fun and two from that say, or the other Nanado Horn, or 10,000 CDs.
Answer not. Oka, the Ghana ambassador to the US or DC, Washington DC. Okay, also somebody mako Akufo-Addo hono. Ejabewa, the Ghana ambassador to the US, or 10,000 Ghana cedis. Or 10,000 Ghana cedis before or me call. And me it's all because party no bit me say or the party chair Yakubu. No do There's one question. Mina mi dana kwa. Ansana me me akwa mo bi ni say me mama sika. And I was not expecting this. I was not expecting to see this. Look, okay, omo kaka ma samle nyina. Omo misa SK Boafo subi na o agina subinda. Omo misa no obe kama sama chiro omo. Me ye kwasia to say Kennedy mo. Yanko back Yanko back akrebi. O say time embrebi o da sorry no na enkofo frɛ phone so. Na kesi efrɛ but de na emane o ye worried kakran se obi afrɛ wa o se da nyame ase. Eye ho na ema kesi babehia ma hu say Ahmed Swale ewu. Now o se abuginapo na efrɛ kesi Kachin said, "Na wunua no what okay saying that statement is very important."
Yeah, or because say wunua no utinenka.
Okay, what in
so say me brain. Also wunua na oni anas eye adwuma no. Ono so me ni na kasa. No so when was the last time we ni kasa? So me ni na kasa nche. And I'll say, what do you need? Oh, na me kura no man say, oh, the only who or say, oh, every minute na kasa, and he on a try na for we need na question. No, who say, oh,
Abujina
and I can frame me, me say, yes, and I can frame me. I can say, oh, start timing in a month for Kanyana, and call my junior. Can frame me. And I'll catch him saying, me or him will feel so near me back. Or by a minute, a class in command, or cash each win or solid coil. Et to be divo or Cosian will be due on any cast you, a chain or start by and or say, oh, only the entire name frefel, a beside us and some. Let me see the be. Why and say, your kumuswalia, nas boy no, na abu frame, a besam so utuni and cana. Let me say, the American, may say, maybe color me don't have me didn't try to punch me. So almost say, and this should come out. Or can't sound on the Mikatel say, oh. And he almost say, yeah, oh no. And then me, I know, say, oh, and the one share ya a beba also because Cano, woman, tell me why, say anything in a beba, or when I'm seeing you, young say, and this that time, no, I'm 5 minutes, make a cool video. And come on, me know about the piano, I have to take video. And I started picking them.
Before Ahmed Swale Ebewuno, Kennedy ko TV so ka say, Ahmed ni Anas na ye juma. Na obi obehunu bia ondi ni bone ediena emma in your TV diena odwin say emma Kennedy call TV so na ne buefu Ahmed Swale da asar because later no obehu Kennedy ediena odwin say emma Kennedy bufu ya no pokotena TV so or the Ahmed Swale picture to ho wo idea bia de nti emma Kennedy yes e Japan American
Kennedy die no hu ya me nwanwa o tene TV ho ne that journalist ra omo nyoma dwuni se omo beye nyame adwuma omo ye omo adwuni se sika e na omo ba be edi no omo se ona ya se o Kennedy se akola no ba hada tumo hunu wa hada e na omo se an mo te ho mo ni muda me ka hwe den tia Kennedy ka yenya Ahmed Swale we Kennedy me ya misano say Ahmed Swale asamano beba no ono no ye konim say na Kennedy no onim say me ye frame Swale ana oti hon ma odin tro say yeah they've been vindicated say me na me ko Ahmed Swale na sa Swale ni de na me no o Kennedy na onim say ye frame Swale onim say ye frame Swale ni ne ti weni mu na onim but omo nyina no video no omo tete but Kennedy ono e tire and Kennedy who say no this guy is the one by then no akwala no wako now omo person mo fanya business and I mean who say no I have to be very careful
na Kennedy I have to be very careful Kennedy eka say the question just escaped me very important question Kennedy
say
this is a very important question.
Business.
No, because Ahmed Swale asem na mejina so. After Ahmed Swale wu ye no. Kennedy Xiao oni di Ahmed Swale ho komo anytime bia because no nim say oni Ahmed Swale no at that point it's bia wo ka no. Kennedy, did he ever talk to you about Ahmed Swale? And did he ever talk to you about Nyantechi? Because Kennedy ever can say Anas any kun Ahmed Swale. Yes, this is the question I was looking for. Kennedy e Japan be can on TV to say onim and all evidence say Anas any kun Ahmed Swale. Inti connecting this, you know. What did he ever raise such an issue?
Oh, me raise issue only because now when him say they've killed a wrong guy, and he said, "Oh, this issue only about too much.
Yeah,
it's likely you can be exposed." And I was very careful to be raising those issues.
Now, what did Kennedy have? I know you're so emphatic, say because you need to have something to say make such a statement.
Oh, Kennedy did Okasa the way out because he has nothing to show. And to a Solena and I didn't say, "Oh, can we and waka?" And you say, "Oh, will be a better. Sanko will be dear, Sanko dear, badada." But when Mr. say, "The boy now or tall, look, come on, a friend of Kudus no, or free." bimbila anas mukurum no free. Let me say boy no dey no talk am. That's the only question I want to put before.
Kennedy Tokar ma Kudus. Me who Kudus no I dey be Kennedy echi ne bodyguard no. Ye musa Kennedy Japan say.
I didn't know talk on the channel. That is the only question I want to ask.
Okay.
Me no and a boy no one can't say only manas fee only baby anas free only the way anas yeduma and as swallowing so a crew of free. Boy no omona manesa dana. Me pese me can
that issue.
We are we but obian fan corner dream. But me pese obian say Kennedy. Ono akatire me say ono business no mo ye wo party no mo business enti one yes smarter unko woni hey me see Kennedy on issue. I'm telling you today Kennedy ni hwe did the MPP sa or the nema hono mo sa didi sa omo ho yire omo nim de omo ya biu
now you sure say na some Kennedy kan na nim hu bi like some ya obeka
the obeka say
Nensema oba bonte beka MPP party ni penifo no aya no munim hu bia na say nsem bi obeka o so no penyin o MPP omonim enti me we dey say me come as some traders enti na me say no video no obeti obeka okay
say the oye no nyina we mu na say ni onye we obeti ni nyina me pese o say o no onye obia
okay
obese ni ate me no obia any problem who say me you obi bibia nipa no ode ayeme ode awo menim enti o say me madidi ana system na ade fine I'm not hiding it madidi ana satam papa e wo nanim wo betie no video mo nyina because ana so di ana so tina ho bisa ne say why Yakubu Salis no boni ana
it's a different topic it's a different topic altogether
and no because of the video that I want you to play conversation I course so I want them on my say me a bruisam me na me Anas down for look Anas can never be my enemy
okay
he can never be my enemy.
Finally before we wrap up video na you share you know you are insistent say video no the original video and 2017 June and now July and now July and I'm hu na do dan kweku fuado and now mo bribe no mo de sasi kan man $40,000 you insist on that statement.
That is it and almost bad so mo be bribe me say mama you video no
okay Salis we've had enough conversation the videos that I know we are going to show them from tomorrow all the details especially one question Kennedy Japan nana dam for ne kwesi nyantechi onim anyway we share da na dam for da
the me hu ya yo say onim no bibia na de bera na sesam no ba ya no me bana na mo hu say oni ne tidemo na ho video so ho obi abe ho oni no say wa charge no kura me refi wa charge ajisika kura so be bo so anti me anya ne hwe o kasa some we ya
Kennedy Japan jisike fi kwesi nyantechi wo so obeboa no after number 12 no
dear man family hu I'll tell you the truth
sikale de we
the entia me kasa ne say the entia me family hu the entia me kasa ne say oba bontin be kasa onu hia ne da onu de oye ne nyina oye ne wona do nti on hia ne da on hia no bibia da and me say me wo video I betimi a kire say onu na ti hei papa na ti hei na edi komo ono oye agent ejuma we mu na odidi
okay
and on kana kuma tuni ye mo benya di ope
Salis Allah in his own wisdom is listening to all of us onim
inshallah
the truth behind everything that we are saying wherever you are Allah protect you and then definitely we are going to release all the videos in due course. Have a wonderful evening
inshallah inshallah thank you
all right so you just heard Salis Abubakar Yakubu. I'll get his other name. Thank you very much for being part of today's show. After this short break, I'm going to take phone calls. In fact, there's a lot here. In fact, let me take my time and break a few things down so that you're in to me. People who just joined us, we were on phone with Salis Yakubu Abubakar. I'm always his other name Debianam Rifi Achil or something. I'll get it for you guys. Okay, in Sembebri or say or no ene maameno Fauzia, right? Ene ambassador Bewa the Ghana ambassador to the United States. And no more call another Dan Kwekufuor Ambassador Bewa Jene 10,000 Ghana. Or kahon no more call day $40,000. Eman another Dan Kwekufuor. I see meeting was on July 2017 on my month and on my year. July 2017. I'll say what happened was they went there because of the Asamane Isuo Roads Ministry Hona Mr. Abbas Emma na omotete na oka se omofo sike bi nkoma Ekufuado omo J sa sika na omo se ambassador na bedi enim obo maame Buzia so din wo se maame Buzia ena organize sa meeting no of ambassador Bewa emani di omonim so omofo omonko na adodan Kwekufuado because ono ankasa no na ne ho nheda mfa no nti I think Mama Buzia too is alive. We can ask her these questions. Kwadi di mo ye sad exchange ni wi anase bribe ni wi omdo man na adodan Kwekufuado ye nyine hu no video no so no o say abuginapo eba mu na abuginapo ne na danfo bi efe no Ken Jan Kessie o Kumasi sisi a oboni di say ono so Kumasi he too is another person onwuya he can also attest to whatever happened. I say emunu wona na sika bi piemu $3 million piemu say anka ye betua ne sika na wejai asemwe manaka but I say sibia na owo respect ewo Mr. Abbas enim na Mr. Abbas boa Ekufuado during the election and on one kasa kra boa Ekufuado during the election no Sibi omo treaty omo na eye ne ya into oyenadwin say he will not agree to those terms. Sikano ose the beka nsa na odutubula 78 in Ghana edema amanfo etunsuo ennom ye ose the rest no o catch them playing say if they want it today he will give it to them. Emu hono na abuginapo efre kesi eye na danfo catch them say but also tia say asenso boachi aid na asem no de odene discuss here ni nyina ewo video nim we don't want to go back. Inti abuginapo eba picture ni mu pa ebeji asem ni nyina na one day wada e no te say na danfo kese efre no nkofo bi so frefre no obi frɛ na Hamad Mullah de Nyankopɔn ase say yato ne e na kese ne frɛ ne say owen no so ofie e na kese ne besra no wanhyena ne na nka asem papa bia e na kese ne koye na kese ne koye na okobae na obeka kyerɛ ne say adekontia me ba ha no pa me sa koye ne say abuginapo frɛ me ebusa me say minua no matene nka which is you Salis na okachira abuginapo say oho e na abuginapo kache ne say odinani ehu no e no say ende ma menko na menko cheke intoko na okachira abuginapo so oni bebi omko hia but he thinks say ofrifie ho no one abuginapo ko hia e no chen say Salis is still alive emu e no hu say ade no ya yehu okeka can send bebre if you just joined us you can go back you listen but ekeka na med be see Canada Japan asem no so e be see Ahmed Swale into kan ya man be tu say time akese ba no ho abe check say onwuye na abuginapo ebusa ne say we hu na danfo no na we hu nanim no a very very important question. How can abuginapo be asking na danfo no say we hu no na enye say we hu ne keke we hu nanim otiase then it means abuginapo might have some information bia he didn't want to disclose to the guy. That was the same time that night before Ahmed Swale was shot in Accra. So technically, no, who say abuginapo was calling Kessie. Ebusa Kessie said, "Wadamfo no, well, because now abuginapo was very sure say Ahmed Swale is dead. Now abuginapo na onim say Salia Salis." That is what the explanation went on. Now from there, no, Salis no say nyome ding. Now he talked about a few things, a lot of things, and a jumpy bar, Canada Japan asem with Ahmed Swale asem. In fact, there are some videos I'll be playing. They are still. I went to the office, we checking it. It's still buffering. Canada Japan ba asem nim, and our cast Canada Japan namo hosan a business no ye. Now our videos of Canada Japan and Christine Nyantechi kase. Omu din komo into Kennedy anything or kafa. Say onim kosi nyantechi da no mu nhia bebi ada no o se de onim ne say he cannot confirm oni fact say Canada Japan agi sika okosi nyantechi wo say obeboa no time anas number 12 no. So we saw Kennedy all over the place also speaking and defending nyantechi and the president inti nyina ye kai osaka biom say there are a lot of things Kennedy he has videos. We are going to show them. We have 48 hours to election 2020. But Okasemi is very important. Or say, the president is alive. Bewa, the Ghana ambassador to the US, is alive. the Mama Buzia too is alive. Abu Jinapo is alive. So it is so easy that these people have to come out and also speak their side of the story, especially the president of the Republic of Ghana. Sebio Asamayeke Obianwiye. Why is it that none of these guys are coming out to defend their credibility? Because as we speak here, Abu Jinapo, as we speak, and from the interview we did near TNO, he knew about Ahmed Swale's death even before Adiechi. Because to call Kessie in the night or in the early dawn in the morning to ask Kessie, say, what down for no? So Abu Jinapo is somebody who has to answer questions about Ahmed Swale's death. Now, Abe confirms that Kennedy Japan did not have an idea about who Swale is. He was just insinuating. He was just trying to claim fame for himself. But Okahu enema Ahmed Swale Yukuno. That is our conclusion. Now, the Ekano Henina Obibeka say, hey, Adena Semna Ekano, we have given the president time and time. So, Mr. President, kwa Kotwaba. This is a crazy allegation. The person who took the video of you, you have every opportunity to step out as the president of the republic to defend yourself. Because in that video, we did not see any party communicator. We did not see any information minister. It was you who took the $40,000 bribe. So it is up to you, the president of the republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, to come out and also say your part of the story. Because yeti kromha, and John Dramani Mahama AJ Ford gift. John Mahama stepped out as a leader. We all chastised him. We ridiculed him. We told him that is not right for that office. And he came out as a man to speak to the nation. So now, Ghana for say, Yati bibri, yehu bibri, Mr. President, ye pesi tifri wenum say, OJ bribe no, one na o video no, day now jine day ben, month ben na ojiye. We just need that simple statement from the republic, from the president of the republic. But Yeka say, the president does not want to speak. Abu Jinapo swat in the we need to hear from Abu Jinapo tonight or tomorrow, his side of the story. Iti yatiana Yekasana manfo bi pese, omudi nyome bi brease, omudi nyome bi katakata yeni, say we fake, and the nipa na oye video na nkasa abonenum to, or say July 2017. We stating nipa bi wo state a nasimo kemu, omunyina they are still alive. So if you are watching me right now, this is a critical moment in our life or in our history as a nation. We don't have to joke with things like this. We have 2 days election. President also signed it. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo also obey Yinano, also obey clear no because you who video him. It would have been different if Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo wasn't in that video. But we all saw you taking $40,000, president of the republic. So why and what is stopping the president of the republic from issuing a statement personally in front of cameras denying this allegation? But from all that is happening, the silence of the president, it proves one thing. And that conclusion from us and Ghanaians, they say, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, nipana oje bribe. He is corrupt because until he comes out before elections to speak, every Ghanaian listening to me should understand and say, the president is a thief. And that the office he's occupying, he's not supposed to be there. Because you are not supposed to sit in the office as the president of the republic and take $40,000. And we, the people, want you to come out and clear your name, and you don't want to clear your name. It shows that this man does not have to lead us again. It will be the biggest indictment and the biggest embarrassment in the history of this republic to allow somebody seen as a criminal taking bribe on camera to lead us again in 2021. That is why we are doing this. Salis said it was in July 2017. We expect Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo to step in front of the cameras and make this statement, clear himself before we go to the ballot. Because if he fails to do that, we will conclude, and we all know the facts are there, the videos are there, that Akufo-Addo is a thief who took $40,000, mere $40,000 as the president of the republic. And nobody can convince any Ghanaian from today. In the next 24 hours, if the president does not speak on this, nobody should convince you as a Ghanaian. Say, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is a clean man to lead Ghana. No, he is a criminal. And a criminal does not have to lead this republic. This republic is big. This republic is a republic our forefathers fought hard to get. We will not allow a criminal in this instance, because he has decided not to speak, to lead us again. Into a Ghana Nina Utiemia, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo tonight, as far as he has not spoken, he's a thief, he's a criminal, he's a corrupt leader who does not need to lead us. It will be the biggest embarrassment and disgrace to our motherland if we allow this man, this old man who took $40,000 bribe after we went in queues to vote for him. He is not a clean person. He does not have respect. There's no dignity. He does not have that credibility to fill the office of the president. And this man deserves to be kicked out if he decides not to speak in the next 24 hours. Now, Ghana for Amoshemino, the fact is, if this guy refuses to speak in the next 24 hours, every single Ghanaian should vote for him because technically he's a thief. He's a criminal. He's somebody who has lowered this country's standards. And no Ghanaian in their right senses should allow Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, a thief like that. Now, he has not responded to lead us. This is the most important decision we have to make as Ghanaians. Political leaders, state you people have to force this president to speak in the next 24 hours. Speak in front of a camera and deny everything that we saw in the video and the person who captured it on video. It is about time we made sure that we cleaned the presidency. It is about time we brought some decency into our politics and especially some decency into the office of the gentleman of the land. We cannot sit here and act like nothing has happened. Things have happened. The president of the republic, this will go into our histories, years and years to come. Millions of generations will come. And the president they will read about is Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and they will say he was the man who took $40,000 in office. This is the biggest mark, the negative mark in our history, because this is never going to go again. It is going to stick with us. It is about us. It is about time. You're back together to understand, say, we can't take this criminality anymore. What is Nana Addo Akufo-Addo going to do if we give him the nod in 2021? He's going to go ahead and destroy this nation. Because if we go into a queue to vote for him again, Sakoto Abamana, Obeka say Jimmy for. Yehunu krasa oji sikasa dambano. Still, but it is about us and not about some political party. It is about us and not about an old man. It is about protecting the dignity and sanctity of this office. And it's about us to understand the say, until we clean the highest place, we can never clean the lowest part. Abu Jinapor needs to come out. He also needs to speak. People's names were mentioned. They are all alive. The Ghana ambassador to the US. You live here with me in the United States of America, Washington, D.C. It will be in your own interest to speak on this issue. The international community here, they are watching you. When you go to the Ghana embassy, there are a lot of embassies there who know about this. Why are you refusing to speak, Mr. Bawuah? It is about time that we cleared the weeds out of the field. Ladies and gentlemen, after this show, we will be taking phone calls. You're still watching With All Due Respect Extended Version. My name is Kevin Ekobedi Taylor, and the show you're listening to is With All Due Respect Extended Version.